how to make buildings indestructible in Fortnite. So every single time you start the game, you can't break no build that was already built here. So as you guys can see, I'm literally trying to break it right now, and I can't physically break it. All right, so what you have to do firstly is go to your island settings. Then once you're in your island settings, you have to scroll down till you see player. So mode round player should be the fourth option right here. And from here, you have to scroll all the way down. So just scroll down slowly, scroll down slowly. Then once you're all the way to the end, it should be an option right here where it's the environmental damage. Instead of all, you're going to turn this into just off completely. And now if I start my game, and I come over here, I try to break something, nothing's gonna break. If this video helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below in the description. And if you guys need any help, let me in the comment section.